Okay, I got the Rokblokz RBs, the mud flaps, so I'm gonna install them right there and there. They come with Smarties. Let's install the front ones first. Ooh, a sticker. Some Smarties. And the sticker. Cool. They call that swag. Okay. All right, we got the Rokblokz mud flaps. So this should be 2-piece Raptor. Which piece is what? I guess this is the front, left front. Oh, it says it. And right front, and then left rear and right rear. It says it. Okay. All right. I got the 2 fronts mud flaps installed. Oh. Go nowhere. Oh, it's stuck to tape. My helper's right there. She's helping. I'm gonna do the back. So these are the back. So left rear, left right. Left rear. And these are the XLs because I have them sticking out just like an inch out because I'm gonna do offsets. Mud flaps installed. It was pretty easy. I like it. Here comes my helper. Here comes my helper. You inspecting it? As you can see, it's the XL, which sticks out just an inch because when I do the offsets, the tires are actually going to be flush with the mud flaps.